Yes, hello children. Today we are going to see a grammar topic. This topic will tell you how to write the past form of the action words. So you all knew what is action word, isn't it? And what is the other name for action word? Action word is also called as the verb. So this will tell you how to write the past form of the action word. So simply tell you what is action word. When we walk, when we talk, when we write something, when we are going to dance, and all the action that we do from by our body is called as an action word. Now we'll see how to write these action words into their past form. But before that, we'll see what is present, past and future. Okay, so present is nothing but, first we'll see this. So present is nothing but whatever is happening today, right now. And right now I'm talking to you all, isn't it? And you will be watching this video. This currently whatever is happening in this moment, in this minute, we call that as the present. And what is past? Whatever that is already over. Whatever happened yesterday, we'll consider that as the past. And what is going to be future? Whatever that is going to happen tomorrow. We never knew what is going to happen tomorrow, isn't it? So that we'll consider as a future. So always we can remember our past. So whatever happened in the past, we knew about it. And whatever that is happening right now, the present, also we are aware of that. But we are not aware, or we doesn't know what is going to happen in our future. So this is a simple basic meaning of what is the present, past and future. But for this topic, what we need is nothing but only the past thing, not the present, not the future. Okay, so today in this grammar topic, we are going to learn only about the past form of all the action words. Yes. So now we are going to see about the past form of the action word. So in order to write the past form of the action word, remember one thing, okay? Always you need to add the word ed, the letter ed. We use ed after some words to show that actions that took place in the past. So whenever you need to express any action word which already took place. So past is nothing but whatever happened yesterday. Okay, so we call that as past tense, isn't it? So in order to represent that, always we need to add the letter ed. So where you have to add? Always add it at the last. Never add it in the front or in the middle. Always we need to add the word ed at the last. For example, the first word, add. So it is actually an action word. In order to write the past form of this action word, we need to add ed at the last and we need to pronounce it like added. The second word is ask. So ask is also an action word, isn't it? You're going to open your mouth and you're going to do that. So which means that it is an action word. And this ask is an action word. The past form of this word is asked, which means that you need to add ed at the last. The third word is enjoy, enjoyed. So this is action word. The past form of this word is enjoyed, which means that you need to add ed at the last. And even after adding ed at the last, the pronunciation of the word also changes. Okay, so this will be enjoy. And if I'm going to tell it in the past form, I have to tell it like enjoyed. So you need to add the word ed at the last and you need to pronounce it like that. Okay. And for the fourth word is boil. So when you're going to boil some water or anything, okay? So boil will be an action word, and the past form of this action word is nothing but boiled, boiled. So which means that you need to add ed at the last, not in the front or in the middle. Always we need to add it at the last. And the fifth word is jump. Okay, that is an action word, and the past form of this action word is nothing but jumped. So which means that you need to add ed at the last, and we need to pronounce it like that. Well, so that's all about the past form of the action word. Always remember one thing, the past form of all the action word, we need to add ed. Okay, add the word ed at the last. You will not add it in the front or in the middle, but rather you will add it only at the last, and you need to pronounce it, the word, properly. For example, jump. So which means that jumped. After adding the word ed, we need to pronounce it like that. So this is a past form of the action word. We need to add ed. Thank you, children.